In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Whop. If you need to contact Whop about a refund, the process is fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do so you can make the request clearly and efficiently. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main dashboard area where you can access your account and navigate to support options. If you're already logged in, you should land here directly. If not, sign in first and then make sure you're on the home screen before continuing. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place helps avoid clicking around unnecessarily. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand panel. In that side menu, find the Help option and click it. This is the section that gives you access to support, and it's the quickest route if you need assistance with billing or refunds. If the panel is collapsed or you're on a smaller screen, you may need to open the menu first so you can see the Help button clearly. After you click Help, the next step is to start messaging support about your refund. This is where you will explain your issue and submit the request. When writing your message, be clear and direct. Mention that you are requesting a refund and include the relevant purchase details so the support team can understand what the request is about. It's also helpful to briefly explain the reason for the refund in a polite, straightforward way. The clearer your message is, the easier it usually is for support to review it and respond. As an extra tip, keep your message focused on the specific purchase or subscription you want refunded. If you've made multiple purchases, make sure you're referring to the correct one. You should also watch for any replies from the support team, since they may ask for more information or provide an update on the status of your request. Checking your messages regularly can help move the process along faster. And that's it. To request a refund on Whop, go to the home page, click Help in the left panel, and then message support with your refund request. It's a short process, but being clear and organized in your message can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.